Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I have this premium developer flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment is spread across 982 square feet of built up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony. The apartment is facing east direction with overlooking garden, clubhouse and main road. The society is less than 5 years old and is a part of G+28 elevator building. Places like Singasandra Metro Station, Royal Meenakshi Mall, Hosur Road, that is your NH48, the very best schools and colleges, hospitals and other important business parks are hardly distance from the project site. The flat is semi-furnished and features all modern amenities. With 60% of open spaces and more than 400 plus families residing, this apartment is available for sale directly from the owner. So folks, this beautiful flat is located at Bannerghatta Road in south part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 25 lakhs, slightly negotiable.